Hey you, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is IJ. So I'm starting off this video with my freshly washed face just because I wanted to show you guys what my face looks like without any products, what my skin looks like. I still do have some acne scars. It's been a while, but we're getting there. And this is what my face looks like. I basically want to show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Like I wanted to show you what my nighttime it's like, and it's sort of like a vlog, but I'm going to be adding some of my night routine, like some work stuff, and I'm just going to be carrying you guys along. But for this particular video, we're going to be starting off with my skincare. So I've already cleansed my face in the shower. I'm going to be going in straight with my toner. This is the VLOGMASS deep cleansing astringent. This is really the best toner hands down that I've ever used. It's really effective when it comes to getting rid of your acne scars, acne breakouts. Like it really helps so much, and I love this toner. I've used this for years and I've really talked about it a lot. Like if you are going through acne or you are breaking out, this toner, I really feel like it is going to help you cleanse your skin and get rid of your acne. That is one thing I know with this product, and that is why I keep using it. It's just one of those staples. Like if you watch my videos, you definitely know. So moving on, I'm going to be using my niacinamide. This is the Inky List niacinamide. I've used this for a while. I used to use the ordinary, but I ran out some time ago and I started getting this one. As you can see, I'm almost out of this one, and I need to get a new one, but I really like it. It feels more like a moisturizer than a niacinamide serum. The ordinary niacinamide felt like a really light mist, but this one feels more like a moisturizer, so that's okay too. I like it. It's okay, really nice on my skin. So you guys can notice how I am gently applying the product on my face. I try to use upward motions on my skin just because this really helps to reduce wrinkles, like sagging skin. It just helps to make sure that your skin looks not saggy, like it doesn't droop in areas like it's not supposed to droop, like your cheekbones and the rest. So next on is my mandelic acid. I really like this product, but it is only to be used at night because it can really react to the sun. And if you're going to use this product, one thing I would advise is that you get a really good sunscreen. Don't skip on the sunscreen if you're going to use this product, but it is really good for exfoliation and exfoliating the skin. I talked about it is also really good for helping reduce acne scars and signs of acne, signs of aging, wrinkles, fine lines, stuff like that. This is a really nice product, and I love how mild this product is. Like all of the ordinary products are really mild. This one is just really nice as well. I really like using it, but you do need to use a good sunscreen during the day after using this product, and of course you're not supposed to rub this in the daytime, so that's why I'm using it in my night routine. But yeah, just remember to apply things or products on your face using upward motions. That is really important. And then when you are done applying such products, just give your face some time to really absorb the products. Like take a while to just let the products sink into your skin before you move on to the next step. So on to the next step. Right here is my face cream. Basically a face cream I like to use. This is the Young and Fresh night cream. I really like this. It is nice, but like you're about to see, it is white, so this is not something that you want to apply during the daytime. I wouldn't advise that. You don't want to be looking scary. So you can see it's turning my face white, but it is really effective. This is something that I used a lot to brighten my skin because it has a lot of really good ingredients, and it helps me fade out any spots. Like sometimes I get breakouts, like you can see my face is actually breaking out at this time, so that is why I tend to use this more. I kind of use this like 2 to 3 times per week so that I can get the best effects out of it. But if you're comfortable or if you're having a lot of acne scars, I think you can use it for daily. at least till your acne scars or your face improves a while. So another thing with this is that, like you can see, my face is now almost completely white. But when applying, just don't like fold your forehead, massage sideways so that you don't end up giving your face wrinkles. That is really important. But yeah, just apply the product all over your face, around your eye area, so you don't end up having raccoon eyes. You don't want your face to have a different color from your eye area. That is not what you want. So when I'm done applying this, I just go and take a break and have dinner.
Two hours later.
So guys, I just wanted to say that if this is your first time on my channel and you've not already subscribed to this channel, I really feel that you need to subscribe so you can join the family. On here we do a lot of skincare, lifestyle vlogs, and basically a lot of nice videos. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, I think this is a really good time to hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a huge thumbs up if you are enjoying it so far. And also don't forget to leave me a comment. I really love hearing from you guys, okay, because yeah, it's just really nice. I always respond to the comments, so leave me a comment, give this video a like, and also, of course, subscribe to join the family. And I will now, yeah, I'll just leave you guys to watch the rest of the video at this point. So at this point I was looking so bored, but the thing was that I was feeling so sleepy and I was really struggling to finish what I was doing. Like, I was just taking water to see if I could wake myself up a bit, but yeah, it didn't really work. I had to just conclude what I was doing and just go back and get some rest. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video up to this point. If you enjoyed it, as always, give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.